Hello everyone, thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today I wanted to make this video to share with you. I'd like to inform you that the information I'm sharing with you should be used as guidance information only, and anytime when you make an investment decision, please do your own investment research. Let's get started. Is Inovio Pharmaceuticals by the ticker INO. I am very big on this company because although the share price dropped today as a result of receiving more negative publicity on the big time shorter, similar to like Citron, who shorted the company in early March, I feel like these people are just taking advantage of the share price by manipulating it and trying to bring down the share price. But for those of you who don't have any shares of INO, I think this is a great buying opportunity right now for you to buy low and let it grow and sell high. So that's my recommendation to you. And let's say if you're an existing investor where you have a high dollar cost average, let's say for example $25, hey, it's okay. You should consider making a big purchase now at the low price of $10 so it brings down your cost average. So let's say if you made like a $5,000 investment in Inovio at a price of $25. Let's say if you make a $10,000 investment at $10 per share, that would significantly bring your share price down than when you first bought it. So that's why dollar cost averaging during these times is great, because most companies haven't even manufactured and distributed their product around the world yet. So no company has manufactured yet. It's all still being studied right now, and nothing has passed in phase 2 yet. So it's still early. We still haven't seen how these vaccines played out in unhealthy patients at a larger scale, in the hundreds per patient population. And I'm very excited to see the results from South Korea, because that's going to be another data set that will likely validate the safety and efficacy of the INO 4800 for the COVID-19. Inovio Pharmaceuticals' share price can go up to at least $20 soon. With any news, we know that in September that it's going to initiate phase 2 clinical trials, and in parallel we'll be receiving peer review of the full data of the phase 1 clinical trials, and that should come out prior to the initiation of the phase 2. And I think in parallel what will happen is, once we hear about the phase 2 initiation, we will start hearing about external funding from the government to support the phase 2 clinical trials, as well as expanding operations. So that's all going to be coming. And I feel like although the company is going through adversity at this time, let's not ignore the potential in the INO 4800, because once companies get into phase 2 and phase 3, the success rate for passing FDA process for safety and efficacy is very tough. It's like 35% pass rate. So I know that a vaccine like the INO 4800, or it has potential to break through with the requirements set forth by the Food and Drug Administration. Well, I hope you find this video valuable, and let's say if you're an investor like me, I'm just holding long term, and I'm just going to ride the wave and keep these shares all the way up through next year and just see how it goes, because as what the company has promised, there's going to be 100 million vaccines produced in 2021. So I'd love to see how that plays out in terms of implementation, commercialization all across the world once we receive regulatory approval all around different countries based on each country's regulatory requirements. So it's exciting news for Inovio, although it's still early, but there's going to be more news coming for all of its other different product lines in the pipeline that's in phase 2, phase 3 clinical trials. For example, the VGX for dysplasia, that's coming for us soon. So I'm excited to hear the data on that as well. And then we have the conferences set for mid-September 14th, investor conference. So that's going to be exciting news that is going to be shared by the leadership team at Inovio Pharmaceuticals. So all good stuff is going to be coming in September, so let's hope for that bullish run, and we deserve it for all the long-term holders and those who have options and those who are trading. Let's just hope that this company does well. All right, because we're supporting the advancement of healthcare by investing in these type of companies. Thank you so much for watching another episode at Investing with All I See Is W. Thank you.